Good to be back. Thank you, thank you.
Hello, Kira.
Hello, Kira. How are you? Hi, Pod. Hi.
Kanya na kay Derek.
Ayos lang po si Derek. Ay, sorry. Is si Betty? Nakakahiya. Baka nasa meeting si Derek Lauren.
Hi!
Wow, thank you. How are you po? Thank you po.
You're beautiful.
Thank you po,
Let's
Derek.
talk to you.
Ah, sige.
Oh, bakit parang may beauty queen ba dumaan? Lahat kayo naka, ano?
Welcome back. How are you, everyone? To drop by and say hello to you all. I missed you guys, and I hope that you guys are all healthy and happy and not stressed. Thank you, po.